Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we take a closer look at the latest products and dive into the details that matter most. Today, we're checking out a unique vacuum cleaner that tackles some of the toughest cleaning challenges in your home. It's a mattress vacuum cleaner designed with powerful suction, UVC light, ultrasonic technology, and a high heating function. Whether it's cleaning your bed, sofa, crib, or any fabric surface, this vacuum promises to offer a deep clean that goes beyond what typical vacuums can handle. Let's see how it measures up and whether it's really up to the task of transforming your cleaning routine. This vacuum cleaner comes with a robust 500-watt motor and an impressive 16 kPa suction power. What does that mean in real-world terms? Well, it can pull out dirt, dust, and debris that are deep inside your mattress, upholstery, and even your car seats. The suction power is complemented by a high-frequency vibration beat, with the metal rubber roller brushes rotating at up to 30,000 RPM. This helps loosen dust and skin flakes that are embedded deep inside your fabrics and makes it easier to suck up these particles. On top of that, the vacuum has a wider suction opening, which means you can clean a bed in just 3 minutes. For those of you who are pressed for time, this feature is a major plus. One of the standout features of this mattress vacuum is the combination of UVC light and ultrasonic technology. The UV light operates at a wavelength of 253.7 millimeters, which is effective at killing bacteria, dust mites, and other harmful substances living in your mattress. Meanwhile, the ultrasonic technology targets those hard-to-reach microscopic particles, breaking down their internal structure to prevent them from surviving. When it comes to hygiene, this vacuum doesn't just clean the surface. It's designed to offer a deep clean that goes beneath the surface and eliminates harmful substances, which is crucial for anyone who suffers from allergies or asthma. To further enhance its cleaning capabilities, this vacuum also features a 140-degree hot airflow generated by the motor. This high temperature helps remove moisture from fabrics, which can be a breeding ground for dust mites and bacteria. In addition, the heat mimics the effect of sunlight, penetrating deeper into your mattress or furniture to target the internal environment of these harmful substances. It's a feature that not only helps sanitize your fabrics, but also dries them out, ensuring your bedding and upholstery stay dry and fresh. Cleaning convenience is key with this vacuum. The 0.6-liter dust cup has a decent capacity, so you won't have to empty it as often. And the 16.4 feet long power cord gives you ample reach for cleaning larger areas without constantly having to plug and unplug. It's ideal for anyone looking to clean multiple areas like the bed, sofa, or even hard-to-reach spots in your living room. The dual cup filtration system uses high-speed motor dual cyclone technology to separate dust, dirt, and hair, reducing the likelihood of clogging. The HEPA filter inside is designed to capture 99.99% of tiny particles, which makes it excellent for allergy sufferers. And because the cups and filters are washable, you can easily keep everything clean and ready for the next round of cleaning. When it comes to real-world testing, this vacuum delivers a solid performance. We tested it on various surfaces, starting with mattresses. The suction power really shines here, once again, picking up dust and skin flakes that often go unnoticed. It's especially effective on fabric surfaces like cushions, beds, and even carpets. The UVC light adds an extra layer of protection, killing germs and dust mites, which is perfect for anyone with allergies. On hard floors, the vacuum performs similarly well, though it does need a little extra time to suck up fine dust, so expect to make multiple passes for a thorough clean. The high-frequency vibration is fantastic for loosening embedded dirt, but it's important to note that it can be a bit noisy, which might be a concern if you're sensitive to sound while cleaning. As for the attachments, this vacuum is not just limited to mattress and bed cleaning. The included tools are ideal for tackling stairs, upholstery, and even your car interior. These accessories add versatility, making the vacuum a useful tool for a variety of cleaning jobs around the home. While it does a great job on upholstery and car interiors, the brush roll can occasionally get tangled with long hair, so it's important to keep an eye on that and clean it regularly. Now, let's talk about the build quality. The vacuum feels solid in hand, with durable materials and premium construction that give it a sturdy feel. The high-temperature motor does a good job of producing hot air without overheating, thanks to its built-in overheating protection, which is a nice touch for safety. However, if you apply too much downward pressure during use, the roller brush may fail to rotate, leading to an automatic shutdown. Don't worry, if this happens, just let it cool down and restart it. The dual cup filtration system is easy to clean, and the HEPA filter helps capture those tiny particles, which is great for anyone concerned about the long-term health benefits of cleaner air and surfaces. In terms of value for money, this vacuum falls into the mid-range price category for handheld, high-tech vacuums. While it offers great features like UVC light and ultrasonic cleaning, it's important to compare it with other similar vacuums on the market. While it's certainly competitive in terms of cleaning power, filtration, and versatility, you may find that other vacuums in this price range offer more specialized features, like longer battery life or additional accessories for a similar price. However, if you prioritize deep mattress cleaning, removing allergens, and sanitizing surfaces, this vacuum is a strong contender for those specific needs. If you're considering alternatives, the mattress vacuum category has a few noteworthy options. For example, the Black & Decker mattress vacuum offers similar suction power, but with a slightly smaller dust cup and a focus more on lightweight cleaning. Another competitor is the Dyson V11, which offers stronger suction overall and is better for larger homes, but lacks the specialized UVC light feature. Depending on your needs, whether it's deeper sanitization, versatility, or power, you may lean toward one of these options. But if your focus is on mattress and fabric cleaning with UV light and ultrasonic treatment, this vacuum stands out. Looking at the long-term durability, the vacuum's build quality seems promising, with solid construction and a reliable motor. The washable filters and dual cyclone system should help it last longer without clogging, and as long as you clean it regularly and maintain the roller brush, you shouldn't run into too many issues. If you want a vacuum that stays efficient for the long haul, this model appears to be a strong choice. In terms of customer support, I haven't had direct interactions with the brand, but their reputation for responsive customer service and helpfulness is generally positive. This vacuum does come with a warranty, so in case of any issues, it should be easy to get support if needed. So what's the final verdict? This mattress vacuum cleaner is a solid option for anyone who needs a versatile, powerful cleaning tool for their mattresses, sofas, and other fabric surfaces. The UVC light, ultrasonic technology, and 140-degree free airflow give it an edge in sanitization and deep cleaning, making it ideal for allergy sufferers or anyone who wants to keep their home extra clean. While it's not perfect, there are occasional issues with hair tangling in the brush roll, and the noise might be a factor for some. Its performance, filtration, and ease of use make it a great choice for small to medium-sized homes, pet owners, and anyone who values a hygienic sleeping environment. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or already own this vacuum, feel free to share your experiences in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Until next time, goodbye, and keep your home as clean as your inbox.